establish a museum at Abe Faria's house in Kandoli and name the IPHB as the Abe Faria Institute of Psychiatry and Human Behavior. This is the demand of the program committee constituted to commemorate the 258th birth anniversary of Abe Faria.
Now we wish we have a mental hospital which is one of the oldest hospitals in Asia. So we wish the government to name IPHB, that is Institute of Psychiatry and Human Behavior, as the Abe Faria Institute of Psychiatry and Human Behavior. That's the first and foremost what we want from the government. Secondly, the house that is located at Kandoli, we maintained, and we wish to make it a museum wherein we can keep all the work that was done by Abe Faria in that house. Third is setting up a chair in the name of the Abe Faria in Psychology Department of Goa University. Since his father was from Kolwale, he has done some work in Kolwale also. We want to set up a mental health counseling center at Kolwale to offer services in various types of counseling at nominal rates.
Goenkaranso Dies, in collaboration with Indian Psychiatric Society, West Zone and Ravindra Bhavan, will commemorate the 258th birth anniversary of Abe Faria on May 31st at the Ravindra Bhavan. Abe Faria is acknowledged as the father of hypnotism. Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
When Talasha Prabhu was diagnosed with a shoulder injury last year, it dealt a blow to her aspirations. The fastest swimmer in India had carried the injury even while trying to qualify for London Olympics. Eventually, Talasha had fallen short of the qualifying timing as the injury went unnoticed. When the muscle tear was finally discovered, it was thought that Talasha will be facing a long layoff. It also led to the end of Dhempo's goodwill sponsorship. But the young Goan has fought back in style and is hopeful of finding the much-needed financial support again.
It was during her training stint last year in the USA that Talasha discovered she had a tear in her shoulder. This injury came as a setback for the talented Goan swimmer who had the backing of Dhempo Group for many years as she grew up to become the fastest Indian swimmer. Talasha's father Satish Prabhu is thankful to Dhempo as well as the government for all the support.
But we must also mention here the greatest support given by the government, because the support given by Mr. Dhempo, Srinivas Dhempo, as a Dhempo Goodwill Brand Ambassador. I feel anyone cannot come to that level where you qualify for Commonwealth Games or Commonwealth Youth Games without a support from the government and from a financial institution like Dhempo's.
With Talasha making a fine recovery as she tries to qualify for Glasgow 2014 Commonwealth Games, Satish is hoping that the 21-year-old gets the necessary backing in her pursuit of bigger goals.
We thought she would concentrate on her studies because we thought the injury layoff would be a long time. But she is no more with Dhempo Goodwill Ambassador, and but she wants to continue swimming because she has got out of the injury, and if she qualifies for Commonwealth Games, yes, definitely will require help from the government and maybe some other house which may come up and will require that, because when you travel abroad, her mother accompanies, costs are very, very high. The Swimming Federation takes care only of the athlete, not of the person accompanying.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gavas from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.